Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. Today, I want to share some valuable information on how to effectively use iron out in a water softener to remove iron buildup from your resin tank. Iron buildup can cause fouling and reduce the efficiency of your water softener, but with the right approach, you can tackle this issue head-on. Iron out is a versatile rust stain removal powder that is commonly used to eliminate rust stains in various water-using appliances and fixtures such as sinks, bathtubs, washing machines, and toilets. It has also gained popularity as a solution for removing iron stains in water softeners. The secret behind iron out's effectiveness lies in its active ingredient called sodium dithionite. This compound reduces iron from its 3 to 2 valence state, making it soluble in water. When iron dissolves, rust stains break up, and the iron particles can be washed away down the drain during the softener's regeneration process. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of using iron out in your water softener, one-off or first-time use. If you're dealing with a significant buildup of iron and rust, especially after a long period of accumulation, you'll need to perform a thorough cleaning. Here's what you need to do. Prepare the powder. Dissolve 1 cup of iron out powder in half a gallon of cold water. Pour the solution in the brine tank. Open the lid of the brine tank, the one that holds the salt, and pour the iron out solution into the brine well. Manually regenerate the softener. Use the control panel to program a manual regeneration cycle for the softener. This will flush out the iron out and iron particles from the system. Regular use preventative maintenance. To prevent excessive iron buildup in your water softener, it's recommended to use iron out regularly. Periodic cleaning is much easier and more effective than dealing with heavily fouled units. Follow these steps. Prepare the powder. Since the iron deposits shouldn't be as severe, you'll only need 1/4 cup of iron out. Dissolve it in half a gallon of cold water. Pour the solution in the brine tank. Open the salt brine tank lid and pour the iron out solution into the brine well. Manually regenerate the softener. Program the softener to perform a manual regeneration cycle, which will flush out the iron out from the system. Is iron out safe to use in a water softener? Yes, iron out is safe to use in a water softener as long as you follow the manufacturer's instructions. It's important to note that some ingredients in iron out may be toxic to humans, so it's crucial to flush the product out of your water softener or water conditioner resin tank properly before using the system for softening your drinking water. If you have any concerns or doubts, reach out to your water softener manufacturer for guidance. How often should I use iron out in my water softener? To prevent iron buildup in the resin bed, it's advisable to use iron out or another water softener rust remover regularly. Ideally, perform a cleaning once a year, or every 6 months if your water test reveals high iron levels in your water supply. How to know if iron out works? You may wonder how to determine if iron out or another water softener rust remover is working effectively. Look for these signs: reduced orange staining of the resin beads, orange tinted water flowing out of the softener drain pipe during regeneration after using the resin bed cleaner. These signs indicate that the iron particles have been lifted from the resin bed and flushed out of the system. Why don't water softeners remove iron? You might be curious why water softeners don't remove iron on their own. While most salt-based softeners can remove low levels of iron, the brine solution used during the regeneration process struggles to lift iron deposits effectively. As a result, over time, iron particles accumulate in the resin beads, reducing their sodium holding capacity and diminishing their ability to soften water. That's why a dedicated iron remover like iron out is necessary for thorough iron particle removal. How else to reduce water softener iron staining? In addition to using a water softener rust remover like iron out, there are other measures you can take to reduce iron staining in your water softener's resin bed. Install an iron filter. If your water supply contains a high level of iron, consider installing a dedicated iron filter before your water softener. This filter will remove iron before it reaches the resin and salt tank, preventing rust buildup and the need for extensive cleaning. Use rust defense water softener salt. Look for special types of water softener salt, such as those offered by brands like Morton and Diamond Crystal, which are designed to reduce rust accumulation. These salts can prevent rusting in the salt tank, minimize iron buildup in the resin tank, and help remove iron alongside hard water stains. While they may not completely eliminate iron buildup, they can significantly reduce resin fouling. By following these guidelines and using iron out effectively, you can maintain the performance and longevity of your water softener, ensuring clean and softened water for your household. I hope you found these insights helpful and informative. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to seek advice from your water softener manufacturer. Take care, and happy water softening!